Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to remove you may like suggestions on TikTok. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So if you go to your home section and to the search page, you should be able to see the you may like section. There's actually no way to actually get rid of this. This pretty much is randomized, but will change depending on your watch history. So you can just go ahead and open your profile, go to the top right, triple bar drop-down thing, and then go to Settings and Privacy. Here, go to Content and Display section. Over here, go to the Activity Center. Once you are here, you can go ahead and open up your watch history and you will see all of your watched videos. Here, press on Select on the top right and press on Select All Watch History and just go ahead and delete it. So it deletes your watch history from the past 180 days, which is the ones that pretty much saves, I suppose. Press on Delete, and it would make sense for your recommended you may like suggestions to disappear. See, as you can see, it's all just gone now. There's nothing else. If you go ahead and search for this, it won't be able to show videos that you have watched, or will say just watched. Just go ahead and clear your history, and that should be the only thing that technically gets rid of your history in TikTok. You can also go ahead and clear your history if you want, and it says search below. It's going to be there. Just press on the X button and it should get rid of that as well. But anyways, again, you can't really get rid of the you may like section, but hopefully the information does help you. So that's basically how you can remove you may like suggestions on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.